Okay, General Stufido, back again. The general stuff I do. Okay, so I'm going to cover a few things today. Let's go back over this. October 1, 2019 through March 14, 2020. I'm back on that page. It says here, 17 million to 25 million flu medical visits. Then down here it says 390 to 710 flu hospitalized. Okay, didn't they need respirators? Didn't they have enough hospital beds for these people? They certainly did. And they didn't make a big deal out of it on the news. Now, let's go to the update. 801,400 total confirmed have caught it. 38,000 deaths, 172,000 roughly have recovered. And they're claiming there's 164,000 confirmed cases in the U.S. now. So I guess we're number one. I'm calling BS. We have enough beds. There are enough respirators. Because what did they do for the regular flu? They're lying. Something's not right. So, China's been holding out on this 82,000. So we're in the lead right now. China's back down in fourth place. I think they stopped reporting. So, this InfoWars thing. Incinerators have been working around the clock. Wuhan residents say official coronavirus death toll fake. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So they're thinking the actual number is over 40,000. Okay, enough of that. Let's go back to surviving. So, hey, I was going to put out another tub, start a second tub, but then I noticed that on day 2, there was like a lot of white fuzz on my microgreens, right? So I went online. I'm thinking I got mold. I'm thinking we're wasting our time here. But that's not the case. Those little fuzzy particles down there, those are microfine roots. So we're good to go. So this is day number 3. And you can see I've been pointing. I don't think I got enough moisture right here. But I think I'm going to be successful in this first batch. And maybe later today I'm going to go ahead and start a second batch. That way, you know, I got the food just constantly rolling in. Now, I want to go over something else real quick. Okay. I forgot to mention this, because I'm really proud about this. So, a few months, I don't know, 4 months, 5 months ago, we had 4 ready to harvest lemons on this tree. So I put on citrus fertilizer as per recommendation by some other guy on the YouTube. And then I put the fertilizer on a 6-foot radius. It didn't smell good at all, by the way. It was horrible. But look at this. Look at this. We got a lemon here, right? We got, look, got one coming in down here. Got 2 there, 1 there. Okay, look at this, 3 right there. Look at this, 1 here. Oh, did this one fall? Oh, look at that. We just lost a lemon. Oh, that's too bad. Got 2 here. That's amazing. So, I think we're going to probably have, I don't know, 50, maybe 100. We don't seem to have as many. Okay, so maybe my dog's ripping them out. Now look at this apple tree coming along. So this is possibly 2 weeks from just a stick. Now all of these leaves are coming out. Yeah, so, and then of course we still got the blossoms coming in. But, and there's our other garden in the buckets. But anyway, I thought I'd go back over to give you an update on the microgreens. But anyway, until next time, I'm General Stufido.